everyone, I'm Lauren Biedenharn, your local and tech-savvy real estate agent here in Los Angeles. Welcome to my step-by-step tutorial overview on how to purchase a home. Today we're going to go over step number 10, closing. Every case is different and every state has different laws, so please use this as a general overview, and if you have questions, leave me a comment or contact me directly. I would love for your feedback so I can help more of you and make a better tutorial for all. So ask me anything. Closing is a very exciting time, but there are also a lot of things to prepare for before you get the keys to your new home. Before you get the keys, you want to make sure you're all set to sign for your loan and title transfer on the big day. Escrow will contact you to set up a time and a date for you to sign your last documents before you close. There are a lot of closing costs that add up very quickly, so ask your mortgage broker or lender to go through them with you beforehand so you can have your funds ready to go. Your agent will book your final walkthrough in the property around 5 days before close. This is your last chance to see the property and check to make sure it's still the same condition or that fixes have been made that you agreed upon. Your agent will order your buyer's warranty plan, which is usually paid for by the seller and covers your appliances for up to a year. You will still need to get a home insurance quote for your lender and your mortgage broker before close. You want your policy to start on closing day so you're covered immediately. You will want to order movers and any work to be done on the property after closing. After wiring the funds to escrow to purchase the home, it may take up to 48 hours to post the funds and record title. Once title transfer is recorded with the city, you can pick up your keys and call your new place home. Congrats! Woo! You've completed this tutorial. Subscribe for more tutorials coming soon. Thank you and see you all next time.